As we celebrate Diwali this year, let us remember our commitment to uninterrupted service.
Service is at the heart of what we do every day. This Diwali, we support each other continuously.
Continuously, we are working together to bring new energy this Diwali, to innovate and excel.
Excel in all we do. Let the spirit of Diwali drive us forward.
Forward is where we are headed. This Diwali, let's embrace light and positivity.
Positivity fuels our passion. The joy of Diwali reminds us that passion drives our success.
Success is always a team achievement. This Diwali, we celebrate our shared goals and ambitions.
Ambitions drive us to new heights. Let this Diwali inspire our collective effort.
Effort transforms dreams into reality. May this Diwali light up our path towards growth.
Growth is the constant that keeps us going this Diwali and beyond. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Diwali Valtekal!
Happy Diwali!
Wish you happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!